Welcome to YouTube video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will make a basic Firefox add-on. This example will show a digital clock inside the document. At first, we need to have a version 45 or higher Mozilla Firefox. So at first, we need to make a directory. So if you are in a Windows operating system, you can make any directory inside your desktop, or you can say in your user file. So you need to make a directory inside our home folder. So at first we need to give a name it as extension. So here we need to make one folder and two files. So at first we need to make another file, that is manifest.json, another file that is display time.js, and a directory for icons. So at first we need to get the icons. So copy this icon to our place back here inside the icons directory, and now we need to open this manifest.json file. Open in Genie. You can use your default text editor, your favorite text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text for your operating system. So here I am using Genie. So here we need to make a JSON file. So for this we need to give some information. So manifest version. We need to have this key. Another would be let's make it blank. Then name of the add-on, and another would be version of the add-on. Another will be description, icons 48, and it would have icons, then clock 48.png. as you can see from here, icons clock 48.png. so after the icons key, we will have another key, that is content scripts. It will be an array. Inside the array we need to make an object. So first one would be the key will be like you say matches, and second one would be JS. So fill this up. Manifest version, make it as 2. Then the name would be display time. Version, make the version as 1.0. Description shows a time digital clock inside the document. And then we will have the matches. So matches would be like this one: http://www.google.com. so make it as the HTTP as star. It would be HTTP or HTTPS, or www as star, then google.com, then / then star. This is our pattern to match with the URL, and the JS file would be our you can say is a display time.js. Now we have this manifest file, which is a JSON file to load the extension. So we have this display time. This is our main file, that is JS file, and we will create a timer. So for this we need to create a anonymous function. So function this one. After that we will create a variable that is timer, make it as clock, and document dot create element, that would be our div element, and after that inside the document dot body dot append child, that would be our clock. We are appending this clock division element inside the body element, and then we need to create a function that is display time. Another function would be function check time, and inside the display time some codes goes here, and after that we will create a variable t, that is set time out. First one will be function, the function name is display time, and it will interval in a 5 millisecond duration delay. So some code goes here. So here we need to make some, let's say, variable. So the variable is going to be our, like you can say, now new date object, then get, so sorry, it is going to be new date. Okay, and now we need to have another variable that is age now dot get hours. Then there will be another one that is m now dot get minutes, and second now dot get seconds. And now we have this HMS variable, which is hours, minutes, seconds. After that we need to check the this one, that is if we have the hours which has only one, like which is smaller than 10, we will add a prefix 0. So how can we make this is we need to make an argument, we need to give it as argument as x. So after that, if x is less than 10, we will make it as x equal to, we will add 0 before the x. So after that we will return x value. Now what we're trying to do is we have this so far, and now we can call the function check time x, then m equal to check time m, sorry, you can make it as h, and second that is check time s. So far we have this, and we need to give we need to call the clock, that is our variable div element, and inner HTML would be HMS. Make this over here, and here this one. After that there will be plus concatenation, this one, and this one. The clock.inner state will be HMS, and it will call the display time, this interval, set timeout, and we need to call this function again after the check time function. So call this here. So what I'm trying to do is need to make a div variable, then appending to the body element, then make a function to show this HMS string to the div element, and repeat this display time inside set timeout function. So here display time we have made this so far, And now what we need to do is we need to give some explanation about this manifest file. That is the first three keys, which is manifest version, name and version, which is mandatory and contain basic metadata for the extension. Description is optional but recommended because it displays the description about the add-on in add-on manager. Icons is optional but recommended. It allows you to specify icon for the extension that will be shown in the add-on manager. Inside the content script, we load a script into web pages where URL makes a specific pattern. In this case, we are asking Firefox to load a script which is called displaytime.js into all HTTP or HTML pages. So let's open the browser, that is Firefox. I am using 61 version Firefox, so that is Firefox. Open it up, and here you need to press type about, that is debugging. So we have this add-on, so load temporary add-on, and we have this extension directory where we got this inside the home directory extension and manifest.json. So we have made this so far. So let's open the Google. So we have this one. So we need to get this, that is our style element, and we need to go to our displaytime.js, and here we need to apply the set attribute. This one attribute would be style, and that will be this one. So paste it here. Again we will reload this, remove load temporary add-on manifest.json, and here you can see, if you refresh this, we have this timer. So here you can see we have made this extension in our Firefox. Hope you will like this video, and in future if you want to learn more about new features and new extension, how to make extension, you will watch and you need to subscribe you can subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Good night.